You know that feeling when everyone around you is getting sick, but somehow you stay healthy? Or it's the opposite. Well, your immune system is the real hero behind the scenes. And in this video, I'm going to share 6 science based lifestyle tips that can help you in strengthening your immune system naturally. And here is the best part, these are not some complicated hacks or expensive supplements. These are just some simple lifestyle changes that research show can make a real difference. So, grab a cup of tea, sit comfortably, and let's dive into it. Hi, I'm Aditi. I'm certified in food and nutrition and currently pursuing masters in nutrition science. My goal? Well, it is to make people believe that health should be their topmost priority, which can be achieved through simple lifestyle changes in order to ensure overall wellness. First up, which might be the most important one, which is sleep. Now, I know you must have heard about this before, but recent research has shown that how critical sleep is for our immune system. Here's a fascinating part. Scientists discovered that one night of poor sleep can adversely affect your immune system and it can also increase inflammation inside the body. Think about that. Just one single night. When you sleep, your body is not just resting. Your immune system is actually working overtime. During sleep, our body produces special proteins called cytokines which help in fighting off all the infection and inflammation as well. It's like our immune system goes to the gym while we are sleeping. Fascinating, right? So, optimize your sleep by improving your quality as well as quantity of your sleep. And you can do this by creating a proper bedtime routine and follow it with proper consistency and discipline. Just practice this and trust me, your immune system will literally thank you for this. Alright, tip number 2 is all about what you put on your plate. And no, I am not going to tell you that you have to eat some boring salads throughout the whole day. According to many studies, eating a variety of fruits and vegetables is one of the best things that you can do for your immune system. Here is why. Plants contain something called phytonutrients, which are natural compounds that can boost your immunity. Different colors means different types of nutrients, and so eating a rainbow diet will ensure that you are getting everything that you and your body actually needs. You can go for some citrus fruits like oranges, green leafy vegetables like spinach, berries, garlic, ginger, turmeric, and red bell peppers. All these foods contain those phytonutrients that can help in strengthening your immune system naturally. Here is a simple approach. Try to include at least 2 to 3 different colors of foods in each of your meals. Just try to make fun out of it. Challenge yourself to include or to have different types of foods with different colors in a week, and you will definitely see some positive changes in your immune system. Third tip is exercise. Recent research has shown that regular moderate exercises are like superchargers for our immune system. You don't need to run a marathon or lift some heavy weights. Just a simple moderate exercise can enhance the functioning of your immune system. When you do exercise, your immune cells circulate throughout the whole body more quickly, which help them in detecting as well as fighting off the infections more effectively. So, what does moderate exercises actually look like? Well, you can do a simple brisk walk for at least 30 minutes. You can do dancing, swimming, cycling, some yogas, or you can even do gardening or some household activities as well. Just find some way of making fun by doing these exercises. You can either walk with your friend, you can join a dancing class, or you can play with your siblings at a park. So, move your body regularly and make your immune system stronger than before. Now, let's talk about something that we all deal with, that is stress. And this is going to be our tip number 4, which is managing our stress levels. When we are stressed for a longer period of time, our body produces a hormone that is cortisol. And too much of cortisol can actually suppress our immune response. It's like you are trying to fight a battle with one hand tied behind your back. Recent research emphasizes that managing stress is not just good for your mental health, but it is actually very crucial for your physical immunity as well. To control your stress levels, you can try doing some deep breathing exercises. You can spend some time in the nature, and you can talk to your friends and your family. The goal is not to completely eliminate stress from your life, because we all know that is impossible. But we should have some tools with which we can control our stress levels in order to keep our immune system healthy. Tip number 5 is avoiding things that can actively weaken your immune system. Now, this tip is kind of pretty straightforward, but it's worth mentioning because these habits can actually undo all the good work from the other tips. So, avoid things like excess smoking, binge drinking, too much sugar, and chronic sleep deprivation. These habits can adversely affect your immune system and its functioning in the near future. So, the good news is even small changes in these areas can give you bigger benefits. Don't try to be perfect. Just make some small progress in order to reach the ultimate, which is having a perfectly healthy immune system. Okay, here is our bonus tip number 6, which is so simple that you might overlook. That is hydration. Now, I know what you're thinking right now. Really, just drinking water? Hear me out. Many research papers revealed just how critical water is for our immune system. And it's way more important than most of the people actually realize. When you don't drink enough water, it actually disrupts your gut microbiome, which is home to trillions of bacteria that provides our body protection against many diseases. Think of the water as your delivery system for the immune system. So, make sure that you are drinking sufficient amount of water throughout the whole day, which you can achieve by drinking at least 2 liters of water throughout the whole day. You can start your day by having a big glass of water, and you can also eat some foods that are rich in water. That's it. So, to strengthen your immunity naturally, just focus on these 6 proven lifestyle tips. Those are getting at least 7 hours of deep sleep every single night, eating a rainbow of plant foods, doing exercise on a regular basis, managing your stress levels, avoiding immunosuppressors, and staying properly hydrated throughout the whole day. That's all. Remember, your immune system is working for you 24/7. So, these lifestyle habits are like giving it the best tools to do its job. You don't need to change everything overnight. Just pick one or two lifestyle tips and build from there. And your immune system will be ready to fight off all the bad things and keep them away from your body in order to keep you healthy forever. Do let me know in the comment section, out of those 6 powerful tips that I have mentioned, which of them are you going to try today itself? If you found this video useful, then do like this video and share it with your friends and family so that they can also keep their immune system healthy and effective throughout the whole life. If you want more such videos, then do subscribe my channel and press the bell icon to be updated. And I will see you in the next video. Until then, peace out and remember, wellness over everything. Thanks for watching.